Handler report is set to end up in court if the ANC and opposition parties fail to find a compromise. The report, which the majority of opposition parties have already rejected, will be tabled before Parliament tomorrow.
The DA, on behalf of other opposition parties, will move a motion to replace the Nkandla ad hoc committee report with a minority one which was drafted by the opposition. They insist the ad hoc committee report is irrational and illegal. Failure to compromise tomorrow will see the parties battling it out in the courts of law.
We are prepared for the worst, and in the event that that happens, notice will be served on the Speaker and the President, probably in the course of tomorrow afternoon or Wednesday morning.
The DA says the motion tomorrow will be a last resort to exhaust all available parliamentary avenues, but the ANC is unperturbed.
Parties then are at liberty to move whatever they want to move when we come to the question, but it's nothing new. We were fully aware of it.
The ad hoc committee report endorses Police Minister Nathi Nhlego's report that there is no need for the President to pay back the portion of non-security measures in Nkandla, while the opposition party's report says he must pay back the money. Manelisi Tubase, SABC News, Parliament.